Hey guys, it's Music is Life 798, and I'm going to be adopting Lily, my cherry blossom bird. And if you can see that, this is her tag, cherry blossom bird. And here we go with the adoption. Okay, so here we go. Aw, she's so pretty. Her name is Lily. Her birthday is May 25th. She's a cherry blossom bird, and she is a girl. Hi, I'm Lily. I'm so excited I'm your pet. I am proud that I'm great in school, quick and brave. I think going camping is really awesome. I'm best friends with a white mouse. Want to know a secret? I love cupcakes and I've always wanted a game of checkers. Aw, she's cute. Now let's move on to her room and open her gift box. Okay, so here is her gift box. Here we go. I got a bonus gift box, a cherry blossom bird love seat, and a disco ball. This is her food. I think it looks awesome, so I'm going to feed that to her. Pretzel, marshmallows. Now let me open her bonus. I got a gemstone table. Awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to show you her item. Wait, let me turn it this way so you can see. So that's what it is. It's like a tree with all these flowers. Aw, she's so cute. Okay, so thanks for watching the adoption of Lily, my cherry blossom bird. Bye!